Hello everyone, my name is Syam Manoj Kumar and my institute roll number is 20CS10041, and this is the second part of the fourth DIY project. Here we are using the Node-RED software to create a user-friendly user interface where we can see and analyze data. Here initially I am using the dashboard. I have taken the water level controller and I have used it and I have given it a range from 0 to 100 in single steps, and then I have connected it to a meter type thing. It is of the gauge type, and I have given it the same values as from 0 to 100, writing from 0 to 33 to show a green color, and from 33 to 67 a yellow color, and a red color from 67 to 100. And then again I used the bar chart to analyze the data of a gas pressure controller ranging from 0 to 50 in steps of 1, and I have used the bar chart from the chart menu, so we can deploy. Here it is showing is successfully deployed, and next we have to go once again to the Node-RED interface. This is the user interface. UI stands for user interface. As you can see, as we increase the level from 0 to 100, okay, as you can see here, when we vary the value of gas pressure controller, we can see the bar graph changes accordingly. And as per the water level meter, if we increase the water level from 0 till 33, it remains green in green color, and from 33 it changes to yellow, and then after reaching 67 it again changes to red. So in this way it is very easy to analyze and get the data. Actually this data is given to this interface via sensors and other systems. We can analyze this data from another device as well. For example, if we have the same connection for this device and your mobile phone, we can copy the address over there to get the same data over there. So I have verified it. That's all for this project. Thank you for watching the video.